Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down or lock the screen so keys don't trigger actions, and hold the tablet steady with one hand. Once done, fold the type cover back so the magnetic edge is exposed. This reduces tension on the connector. With your other hand, place fingertips along the bottom edge where the keyboard meets the tablet, near the center, so you can apply even, controlled force. Don't yank. Instead, prepare to separate the magnetic connector by pulling gently away from the tablet. You now focus on the connector. Grip the keyboard near its center edge and pull straight away from the surface with steady, even pressure. Short, confident motions work best. Once done, keep the motion parallel to the tablet plane so you avoid twisting. That prevents bending the pogo pins or misaligning the magnetic rail. If you feel resistance, stop, refold the cover, and try small incremental pulls instead of forceful tugs. Make sure to support the tablet so the connector separates cleanly without you've removed the keyboard. Now finish responsibly. Place the type cover on a soft surface to avoid scratches, and when reconnecting, guide the center edge to the tablet first so magnets can find alignment naturally. Once the center catches, let the magnet snap the rest into place. Don't force it. If the keyboard won't reconnect or behave, reboot the surface, inspect and gently clean the connector contacts with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth, and retry. This usually fixes contact issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.